Son, what are you doing?
Drifting around.
Playing your games?
Yeah. There's nothing really to do here.
No, there isn't. I was thinking myself, what should we do?
I don't know. Quarantine really is boring.
Yeah, it's getting to me. Getting fed up with it. I would definitely like to do something, but I don't know what to do, man. What do you think?
Yeah.
What should we do?
Yeah.
What? What's that? Want to go check it out?
Sure. There's a box.
There's a box. That's on a Tundra. Who put the box on a Tundra?
No.
What in the world? What is this? What's it say? S&B Filters. Alright, let's check this out. Welcome back, guys.
Welcome to Dad's Builds.
Yes, and today we have a little something for you. We got to do a couple things. Well, we'll do one thing today, and then we'll have another video coming. There's basically what we're going to do today is transform this grandpa-looking truck into Overlander.
Yeah.
So it will go towards that direction, so we can take it off-road, and we want you guys to kind of come along with us
Tag
and
along,
see
you
how
know.
it looks. Let us know if we do stuff right or wrong, and if you guys like the look after we're done or not. You know, just kind of come on a journey with us with this truck. So first I wanted to do is kind of do a review on the truck. I've had this truck for a year and a few months. Bought it last year for my birthday, really. Been wanting a truck for a long time, and ended up going with the Toyota. I did test drive Fords, Chevys, Dodges, and kind of landed on the Toyota. It had like 72,000 miles on it, and it drove like it was still brand new, because I test drove the new ones, and then I test drove the new and used ones on all the other companies, and the used ones just did not feel, they felt like they were used. Yeah, and then basically when I got into this truck, it just drove and rode real nice, and I was like, man, this is a nice truck. So made a deal and picked it up and had it for a year and a few months, and basically it's been a good truck. I've had no problems with it at all. The only thing, the brake calipers, what I did was had to lay them down because the steering wheel was starting to shake. And I think it's a common problem on these things. The calipers are just too cheap. Want to pick up the camera and walk around with you?
Sure.
This truck is 7 V8. It is all stock. There is nothing done to it, no exhaust, and nothing. Just a road going truck, a mole crawler. It's blue. I really like the color blue.
The blue and red is usually like the pickup truck colors.
It is 4-wheel drive, but I do use it daily. It is our only vehicle that we use, and so we haul dirt in here, and we haul other things, but mostly haul people in it. Right?
Yeah.
So come around this way. It has this back seat, which is just a double cab, and it's got plenty of room. It's not
Travel friendly, or
yeah, I mean
more.
It's yeah. I kind of wanted the big cab,
the full cab.
The Crew Max, I think they call it, but they don't have the bed that is, you know, same size as this. They actually cut into the bed, so you get a short bed, and I wanted a bigger bed because hauling dirt bikes and stuff like that in there, it just doesn't fit. You have to have your tailgate always open. I mean, even with this one, you still do a little bit, but I wanted more room in the bed, and I figured this is plenty of room for passengers in the back. It's got this little storage back here that we use, just put some guns in there and shopping bags, I guess. It isn't clean, so I'm sorry. We use it all the time, and we didn't really have time to kind of get into that.
Yeah.
So, but it's nice. I like the black cloth interior. I didn't want leather because I don't like leather to sit on.
It's slippery and
It's not. I don't like the temperatures, and you get in it. It's scorching hot.
Yeah.
This is. I mean, it's black, but it never gets super hot.
Except the seatbelt straps.
Seatbelt strap. Let me grab a key and I'll fire this thing up.
So this is how the stock sounds like. It's loud, but it's not loud enough.
It kept me going this long. I mean, it's got a little bit of noise. I know it's not anything done to it.
Yeah.
So,
But that's stock. So.
Yeah. Show a little bit inside again. So it's not clean. Take this key out. Oh, my finger. Yeah, I do that sometimes. So that's what it looks like in here. It does have a screen, but there is no navigation. It's just for
Audio
other
and stuff.
XM radio and stuff like that. How many miles do I have now since we have it? 89,500. No, that's a trip mile, isn't it? No, yeah, it is a trip mile. What the heck? Odometer, 95,000 miles, 161. So, like I said, we drive it. We use it. Haven't really taken it off road except for just some grass, patches.
Little patches like this.
Well, yeah, it's like my neighbor where we go shooting on his farm, but it's all just grass. It's nothing
Too big or
Right.
challenging.
Pop the hood. It's like this. And what we're working on today is
Cold air intake.
cold air intake. We're replacing the stock one. This is what we're starting out our project with. And
That's probably one of the good first mods that you want to do to any
Right.
vehicle.
well, I would say exhaust first.
You would say exhaust first?
Yes, because I love the V8 noise over an intake noise. Although this will get us going. This will start. We'll start with this, and then we'll slowly keep adding things on. So let's open this box up.
You can-
All right, get our handy dandy knife out. You wouldn't believe this thing. It's crazy.
Yeah. It opens up so easy.
It's so smooth. This is kind of cool. All right.
Okay, first thing we see is paper.
Paper. Well, let's check out this packaging. How well they did. This.
Ooh, look at that air filter.
Nice.
That's huge.
Yeah, look at that. Now that
Oh.
is going. That is look at this. Yeah.
That is huge.
This will be giving it some good old fresh air to the
Yeah.
engine.
Okay, there's the more paper.
More paper. Wow, look at this
That's
box.
That's a box. If I have never seen one.
Whoa, is that supposed to replace that whole thing? This is like a whole.
Hold up.
That is gnarly.
This is the box size. This is how much room we have. Box size. Room.
Yeah.
That should fit actually in
Let
there.
me see that. How's this gonna go? I think it's gonna go.
This.
It's as big as a block. Wow.
That is huge.
Alright.
You sure you got it for the Toyota?
Well, there's. I didn't get it, so I didn't buy this.
Ah.
This was sponsored by my brother Yuri, which we'll insert a clip of him right now. Uncle Yuri, my pal. He purchased this for me. He found out that we're going to be doing this build, and he
He's
he
like,
wanted to help us out.
let me help you.
He didn't really tell me, but he did send it, and once it come in, I was blown away. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
So, thank you, brother. That was awesome.
All right, and there's some hoses. It seemed like, or little.
Yeah, some kind of. Oh, this is probably from the engine to the box.
Or
to.
to that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks like there's a couple of how'd you call it? Seals, so the air doesn't leak out.
Okay.
That's a nice tube.
Yeah.
Hey.
S&B.
Bop, bop. Hey.
Not sponsored by S&B. Sponsored by your fans.
We wished. Bop, bop. Nice tube. There looks like there's some clamps here.
Yep, you got a little bit of adapters, hoses, and that goes for the. Oh, that's where the mass airflow sensor goes in. Nice big clamps.
We got a big cover box where
yeah,
you put it right there.
Is supposed to be
Right there, yeah.
like this. I guess when it's cold out,
Yeah.
you take this thing out so it actually gets some warm air in when it's cold. But when it's hot out, like
you close
in
it
summer,
up.
you want to close it so it gets more fresh
Cold air.
Yeah, cold air through here as it can. So that's kind of cool, and it's floppy, so it's easy to put in and take out. We got a top plate. That's the cover, glass or plexiglass, I guess, clear one.
Yeah, so you can see it.
Got some B on it in there.
Got a little. There you go.
So, a little seal.
And some packaging bubbles.
Oh, more tubing.
Some more tubing. That's basically it.
Yeah, that's good. It says S&B on that.
Does it? Oh, I can barely see it. Hold up. Hey, come on, focus. Not Dad's face. I can't focus it, but it does say S&B on it.
That's alright. Alright, so we'll get to it and start tearing that one out and putting this one in.
Yep.
Now we're finishing up. We got everything out here, hoses plugged in.
Yep.
All the hose
Clamps.
clamps are tight. Everything is it's
Where it's
supposed to
supposed to
be.
be.
Now this thing comes a little bit longer, so we just measure it out.
And cut it off. Give it a good old slice.
Just like that.
Oh wow, perfect fit. Just a little bit, but it's okay. You kind of.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. Now this here is the fun part.
Alright.
Right.
Let's do this.
You do one
S&B
plate.
Plate. You
You
want to
do-
do one side?
Yeah, I want to do one side.
Okay. Which side do you want to do?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Both.
I'll do this side.
Okay.
Look at this. Oh no.
Please don't tear.
That's pretty strong.
Wow. It's got the S&B symbol right on the thing.
Alright, you do the other side.
Alright. Anything else in here? See what's
That's why I did the other side.
I know, because I started on the other side. We finished it. Alright, you got it. No, I don't got it.
We ain't got all day, come on.
There you go.
See that S&B come out. Oh yeah.
I think that's supposed to also come off, right?
Maybe the center.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Probably this here, the little
Is that paper or no?
Oh, that's actually.
It's embroidered on there, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
so we
supposed to
gotta
look like that.
take the plastic, or not the plastic, but the cardboard piece off.
So we can take that up. You can't see anything. Oh, it's clear.
Yeah.
Ah, so fancy.
There you go, that one little piece right there. Look at that. You just need to wipe down and that's it.
It goes on, I guess.
Goes on like that.
Just like so, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll clean the bottom side of it.
Clean the bottom side of it, and then we'll place it on.
Top side.
That's cool, it's got the embroidered thing on
Yeah,
it.
it's like laser printed or something.
Yeah.
Alright. So I can have it like this.
Yep, just like that. And screw it on and then wipe it down.
Let's see. Got these fancy screws. Little washers look awesome. Give it this nice look.
Probably need to screw it.
I guess so you don't lose the washer after you screw them down, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah. One. Okay. This one. So,
Man, that looks amazing, honestly.
yeah, it's big.
It's
It's
really
surprisingly big.
Yeah.
And maybe that's why it performs so good.
Because it's huge.
It's huge, gets a lot of air. And I haven't tightened them down, just cinching them down so so the plate stays in place.
Well, as we wipe it down.
Well, no, once I tighten it down, we can wipe it down. Just to make sure that all the screws go in.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm going to tighten it down. It's locked. Airtight, I think, is the right place for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that slipped. Alright.
There you go.
Check this. Get it a little tighter. This tight. This tight.
Yeah.
Happy dude right here.
I'm really happy. It looks so huge. Like from here, you're like, oh, is that a cold air intake? Bro.
Alright, we'll put
Wow.
the engine cover back on.
Give it a nice final wipe down.
Oh, I guess that doesn't fit on there. The pipe is so huge. It's leaning on it a little bit. But it seems like it's a different one than what I've seen. The other one's, this part slid open.
Oh, yeah.
And this is maybe their new one or something. And let's see. We'll fire this thing up.
Alrighty.
See what it sounds like.
Alright, Dad's gonna turn it on, see what's gonna happen. You can kind of hear it. It has that weird humming noise on it. Wow. A lot louder. The thing flexes. Wow. That looks so good in it though. Bob,
Big.
the thing flexes when you suck it, or like when it sucks. Yeah, yeah, it flexes,
Oh,
which is really cool. That's all.
what's up, man? Hey, YouTube. Say hello to your friends.
Hey, friends.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a big box.
That-
The other one is kind of that. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen.
This is what happens if you put a cold air intake on.
This, yeah. First off, turn off your traction control.
Yeah,
I think I have to stop for it completely to be disabled.
probably.
Alright, we go.
Even just a little push, you could still hear it.
Still hear that.
Yeah.
So we've, to be honest, we've already test driven, but we had a friend on,
Yeah. There you go. That's off.
and I'll tell you what, it's a very nice, it's a very nice upgrade.
Yeah. It's simple, cheap,
Right.
and it's gives you.
It's not really cheap.
Well, it really depends.
It's not really that cheap, but it is definitely worth it. There we go.
So cool.
I don't know if the camera's gonna translate that noise, but man, it puts a smile on my face.
Yeah, it does too.
And it seems like the truck it's a little bit more responsive. Like it feels like when I push the tow haul, and if you guys know tow haul mode on Toyota, it's right there. It gives you a little bit more response on the pedal, and the whole steer's a little bit longer.
Mm-hmm.
But that's what it felt like with the colder intake. Like I had the tow haul mode on. It's much more responsive. You know, it responds to the.
Throttle.
Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, this could be bad for traffic tickets.
Yeah.
Wow, I mean, look how it goes.
Goes so quick.
It is quick, and it feels good. Like
Yeah, it
feels
does.
lighter. It's amazing.
Kind of does. It's weird. We have it.
Smile on our face.
Yeah, I know.
Kill it.
Yeah. So now we'll compare it to the stock. Dear Lord. That is so much better. Wow, it sounds louder a little bit, and you can hear it, which is really cool.
All right. Well, big thank you to my brother Yuri, who sponsored this video and sponsored the colder intake that we got to put on today. The truck runs, I don't know, so much better.
Yeah.
It feels better, it sounds better. I'm happy with it. Alright. Well, you want to be in the to do the outro?
Yeah. Okay, let me see if you're in the frame. Just go like that. And this will be it for our video, but we're not done yet.
Yep, we got a little bit more things to do, so stay tuned for next upgrade.
Yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want to keep following this build. And
It'll help us out,
yeah.
and hopefully you guys enjoy this.
Yeah, and another thing is we also have an Instagram page and a Facebook page. So I'll link
Check them
that
out.
in the description below. And yeah, you guys have a great day.
Thank you.
And have a great summer.
Yeah, summer, yeah,
Yeah.
well, quarantine's over almost somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yep.
All right.